All right, the videos I posted didn't really cover all the situations that come up. So I have one more here. And the one I'm going to go over is number one on the assignment. And we're not going to work this out the whole way, but we are going to set it up. So on number one, it says find AC. So I'm going to put an X right here on side AC. That's what I'm looking for. And then I'm going to go ahead and set up my first fraction. So X is across from or opposite from angle B, which is a 22-degree angle. So I'm going to say a sine of 22 over X. Now I need another fraction. And if you look at this, and let me erase this arrow so you can see it better. The other angle I have is 118. That you always have to match the angle up with the opposite side. And if you go across or opposite from 118, you get to side BC, and there's nothing on it. And we don't really have a way to figure out what BC is to be able to use it. So here's something else we can look at. We have this 24 on side AB. Now, if we could figure out what angle C is, we could match that up with the 24. And the good news is we can do that because we already have two of the angles. We have the 118 and the 22. And we know for any kind of triangle, the three angles always add up to 180. So I'm going to add together the 118 and the 22. And I'm going to subtract that from 180. And that'll tell me what angle C is. So angle C ends up being a 40-degree angle. So now that I have that, now that I know angle C is 40 degrees, I can set up my other fraction. So I have sine of 40 degrees over the opposite side from C, which is 24. So number 3, 4, and 5 are also like that, where you'll have an angle to match up with your missing side, but you're also going to have an angle that doesn't really go with anything. So you need to find that third angle so you can use it. And the good thing about angles is if you know two, you can always find the third regardless of what kind of triangle it is. So that's what you want to do if they give you like the wrong angle. Find the other angle and then use it. And then once you do that, you can just ignore that angle they give you that doesn't go with anything. And then just use the other two angles. So I hope that helps and clears some things up.